So all leaves have veins or Venetians. Creating that, it's just a series of nodes, edge detects, inverting it, and directional warps. A lot of what Designer is rinse and repeat, and you're just applying more stuff and laying it all onto each other. So from here, I just simply applied this Venetian shape. I also created a little stem in the middle and just quite literally added it. And then from there, it was adding it to the leaf. And you can see here how if I increase this, it'll get darker on the 3D view. So going darker, and if I go back, it'll go lighter. And ultimately, that's going to affect the normal map, which is what gives it that 3D view. From there, it's just adding some surface imperfections, making it look, not too clean, making it look a bit more grungy. And that's what ultimately makes it look realistic, and then adding color to finish off. And that leaves you with this. You also need an opacity map. The opacity map highlights, the white highlights what is to be seen in game, and the black is just going to be cut out. So that way we can avoid, all this outside green and Venetians, and we can just see whatever's applied on the leaf. So taking this into the game, we simply export these maps and we take it right into Maya. From here, the way it works is we would start off with a basic plane, apply the texture, then we'll add edge loops and kind of close it in. And it's still flat here, but from there we can add some curvature. And then we can edit it however we want. So here, even though they're leaves, I've created a bit of a, I guess you would call this a fern. I've also created some vines. 2 variations of vines here. They have repeating patterns, so there is a way to tackle this in Engine, which I'll show you right now. And we hop into Unreal, and we have the exact same meshes, but this time we have all maps applied, our roughness, base color, and normal. It looks a bit better. It's got some surface, subsurface scattering. Here are the vines. So the way this works here is I've simply created color variations with each of the leaves. See, this here is a bit more brown, whereas the original leaf is green. So by creating instances, material instances, we're able to blend different colors and kind of break up those patterns. As for the fern I created earlier, if we go into foliage mode, we can select our fern here and simply paint it wherever we want. And that is how foliage is made in games.